Today I'm just on a walk in the lakes and this is Windermere behind me. So I thought I'd go through a bit of my filming gear just to show you what I've got. For the high shots, I take a drone with me. So this is my drone and that's the Mini 3 Pro from DJI. And it's a fantastic little drone. It's 249 grams, so lighter than a can of Coke. And essentially it's got a lot of stabilisation on it, so it gives me those really stable shots. Lots of times it says, oh, high winds, and I send it up anyway because I know it's going to be really stable. So not advising that, but that's just what I do. But it is really strong. I've sent this up in all sorts of conditions. It emergency lands itself as well because I have lost signal a couple of times because I've been flying it around the back of a mountain and it can't find me, so it just emergency lands. Then I can get a line of sight on it on my phone and I can just walk straight towards it. So the times I have lost it, it's been really easy to recover. It's also got a 4K camera on it, which is really good, and the batteries are easy to change, so you just take them out, put another one in, and I've got a sleeve of 3 when I come out, and the batteries themselves last about half an hour, so I can get plenty of footage for making videos. Some of the features on it include a point of interest shot, so that's like you're seeing on the screen now, and that enables me to capture the important point of focus, which for me is usually a mountain top or maybe a stone circle in the Lake District, and that's a really great feature. I can also make it follow me, so to save me having to control it, it'll just follow me, and again I can leave it doing that for half an hour and it's going to be absolutely fine. To keep everything going and topped up, I've got my Ansty battery charger, so I'll just show you this. I've got 2 C charger outputs and a USB, and for those the C1 output has 65 watts. I started to do a rapid charge for you, and then the second C charger is 36 watts, and then the USB charger is 22.5 watts. It means I can charge my phone, my mic, and recharge the GoPro batteries all at the same time. For me, I like to know how much charge I've got left, and that's the best thing about this really, is that it's got a little display on it which tells you exactly what the percentage of the charge is. My other chargers have usually 3 dots on, and if it's got 1 dot left, I don't know if that's 33% left or whether it's 3% left. And if I'm out on a long walk, it's important for me to know what to charge, so that's why this is probably the best one for me. Ansty are sponsoring this video, so if you go on the discount code, which is TonyTrek50, then you'll get 50% off, and the link for that to take you straight through to Amazon is just in the description, and that is going to save you, I'll say, 50%, so that's really a bargain for this. The mic set I use is this one I've got on here. It's DJI, so that's really useful for me. It comes in this packet, so it's got 2 mics in here and the receiver, which can easily attach to GoPro. So that is fantastic, and these are charging cases as well. So if I think it's run out of a bit of charge, I can just pop it in here as well, and that'll help to charge it. So when I'm doing long journeys, if I've got my charger and this, I'm sure I can get audio all the time. To do the actual video, I record on my GoPro 11, and I'll just show you that on my phone. So if you see the colour suddenly change, it's because you're looking at the view from my phone. I use this media mod on the outside of the GoPro, and that's from GoPro itself. And I think that's really good because you just plug in the back, you can use an external mic. It has its own exterior mic as well, but I prefer to have one pinned to me because it really helps with the volume when I'm editing. This is my selfie stick, which is really something you need if you're doing these kind of videos, and it's 5 foot the tripod base, so I can just collapse it up or have it like this. And again, that's a really useful addition for me. The neck allows me to put it into any position, so that again is really adaptable. So that's my filming gear. If you're interested in any of those items, I'll link everything in the description. So I'll get on with making this movie, and I'll see you on the next one.